So friends, we're going to heat oil in a pan. And once the oil is hot, we're going to start by adding our ginger garlic paste. We're going to fry this paste till the rawness of the ginger and the garlic goes away. So that will take about half a minute. This is on a low to medium flame. Once our ginger garlic is nice and done, we're going to add our onion. We're going to fry the onion till it becomes a little translucent. Then we're going to add kasuri methi. I've mentioned before that whenever we make any paneer dishes, it's good to add some kasuri methi. It just enhances the flavor of the paneer. So I've just taken some kasuri methi, just crushed it up, and I'm just going to put it into the dish. Again, mix this up well. Now I will leave a description of how I made the puree, that is the palak puree or the spinach puree. So I'm adding a bowl of this. See the color of the puree, it's so fresh and green. But when you're buying palak, always go for the baby palak leaves, the very light green small leaves. Don't go for the very big palak or spinach leaves. The small baby palak leaves are really so delicious and so different and very, very fresh. They have a totally different flavor altogether. So mix all of this very well. Even making the palak puree is very, very simple. Now we're going to add our salt to taste. Now this dish does require a little bit of salt, so do taste and see whether you require salt. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt. Give all of this a good mix. Now we're going to add a little bit of red chili powder, the regular chili powder. Give all of this a mix again. And now it's time to add the paneer cubes. Now this is also homemade paneer. I have a video on how to make cottage cheese or paneer at home. I will leave a link of that below. So add that. And then give everything a mix, ensuring that you don't break the paneer cubes. So be very gentle when you're mixing everything up. Now after this, we are going to cover and cook this for about 5 minutes so that everything gets well mixed and well incorporated together. So we'll cover this and cook it for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, we're just going to just uncover it, give it a gentle stir. And then we're just going to add some fresh cream. Now this is again the fresh cream that we get from the milk that we use every day at home. We just have to collect the cream. So you can just whip that up a little or beat it up a little, and we're going to add that. Or if you have a packet of fresh cream, you can add that too. It really adds a very nice flavor to this dish. So again, just give everything a gentle mix. And your palak paneer is all ready. All you need to do is just transfer it into a serving bowl or a serving dish and serve it with some hot and fresh rotis or chapatis or puris, or it even goes well with some rice. So this is a very, very easy dish. It hardly takes any time to prepare. The only thing is you have to have your palak puree ready, and even that gets ready very, very quickly. So there it is, friends. Palak paneer all ready. So I hope you like this recipe. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If I get more likes, then I know, okay, people like my recipes, they like my channel, so I'm going to put up many, many more recipes. So do hit that like button. Please do subscribe to Akshata's recipes by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below the video and become a part of Akshata's recipes family. I would love to have you as one of my subscribers, and subscription is completely free. Now, once you have subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to click the golden bell, because then you will get notifications. You won't miss out on any of the videos and recipes that I will be putting up on my channel. So don't forget to hit that golden bell. That way you will be updated. Do visit my channel because I have more than 240 recipes at the moment, and I'm going to be coming up with many, many more very easy recipes. My motto is, a few ingredients, easy, quick recipes, and delicious end results. Of course, some recipes do require a little more ingredients, but most of my recipes are really very easy, simple to follow. Do share Akshata's recipes with family and friends. Spread the word about my channel. I would really, really appreciate it. Now, I have many other palak recipes on my channel, so I'll leave links of them below. I have a palak cheese paratha. It's very, very delicious. I have a palak and corn sandwich recipe. I have lasuni palak. I have palak chaat, which is so very delicious. So I leave a link to all of that below, along with how to make paneer at home, along with how to make the puree at home. So do go and check my description box. And like I said, every day I'm going to be introducing a quote for the day. So today's quote is a very inspiring one, and it says that it all begins in our minds, and what you give power to has the power over you. So if you give power to the positive thoughts and the good thoughts and the happy thoughts, then you will be happy, you will be positive, and you'll have a great day. So you have the power and control over what your mind wants to think. So give it positive and happy thoughts. And friends, I'd like to say thank you to all of you for stopping by at my channel, for supporting my channel, for watching my videos. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in my next video very soon. Take care, guys, and see you soon. Bye.